guys, welcome back. This is video 4, and this is the last video of our lesson today. In our lesson today, we have been learning about how to use must and should, and you have been doing a fantastic job. Great work, boys. In our last video, you met Seb's dad. Seb was making his mom very angry because he didn't want to do his homework. Let's look at Seb's dad. What does Seb's dad look like? When I see the picture, I see that he is very strong and he has big muscles. He has very short hair and he does not have a mustache. My next question is, what is Seb's dad like? Seb's dad is sporty and bossy. He is also rich and famous. Seb must always do what his dad says. Do you always do what your parents tell you to do? In the next part of our lesson, you will need your notebooks again, so please have those ready to go. We'll do a little bit of listening and writing. First, we will practice listening for some should sentences. Remember, should is used to talk about a good idea or advice. Our instructions say, what should they do before bed? Listen and match. We have some characters here that we already know about. Robbie and Emma. Emma, Robbie, Dad and Mom. And we have some activities that they should do. Write your answers in your notebook. 3, 2, 1, action.
What should they do before bed? Listen and match. 1,
Robbie and Emma should say goodnight to their parents.
2,
Emma should wash her hair.
3,
Robbie should brush his teeth.
4,
Dad should walk the dog.
5,
Mom should clean the kitchen.
If you need to listen again, go ahead and rewind and do that. If you are ready to check your answers, let's do that now. These are the things that they should do before bed. Our next practice is using must. Remember, must is for a rule or an order. Our instructions say, what must they do on Saturday? Listen and match. We're listening about Robbie and Emma, Mom and Dad, Maddie and Dan. Remember, these are things they must do on Saturday. Listen carefully. Write your answers in your notebook. 3, 2, 1, action.
What must they do on Saturday? Listen and match. 1,
Robbie and Emma must clean their rooms.
2,
Mom and Dad must take out the garbage.
3,
Maddie must practice the piano.
4.
Dan must do his homework.
If you need to listen again, go back and listen again. You can listen as many times as you need. If you are ready to check your answers, let's do that now. These are the things that they must do on Saturday. Check your answers. Your next step is to go back to Blenspace and do the 2 writing activities. You will be writing the should sentences that you heard. You will also be writing the must sentences. So go to Blenspace, follow the instructions. When you are done, please post a picture of your writing on Facebook. Now remember, guys, you must do your homework. It's my rule. Do it now. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day. See you next time.